All right, so what we're doing today is change the transmission filter, which is located under here. I'll show you right now. But you have to loosen this part. Move this out of the way. Loosen this 10mm. All right, so use your screwdriver, your Phillips, to remove this bolt. There's 4. There's this one back here, one down there. Last one is down right there. All right, let's go ahead and remove those. And there's 2 bolts holding this intake air. There's one all the way down there, that one right there, and this one right here. All right, let's go ahead and take those out. All right, so I removed the intake. Just remove it. This right here, it's holding it. This part holds to it. All you have to do is loosen it and remove it from right here. And the filter we swapping today is located right here. So you have to take this bolt right here, this one, and this one as well. All right, let's go ahead and do that. All right, so that looks like it's a ground. So let's go, just for safety reasons, go ahead and remove your negative ground terminal. Spray or freeze off on there. I like to use this. All right, let's go ahead and spray it. For this two is a size 10mm, and for the other one, this big one, is 17. All right, let's go ahead and loosen them. Go ahead and remove this to the side. Push it backwards. There's a washer there. Make sure you don't lose it. All right, so let's go ahead and grab the washer with our magnet, so it's not coming. Let's go ahead and try to grab it. Be careful, don't drop it. Let's grab it. There it is. Put it in a safe place. Put it with your bolt so you can lose it. All right, let's push this to the side as much as we can. And let's go ahead and remove this too. And the third one's down there. Can't see it. Third one's down there. It's right down there. All right, let's go ahead and remove them. Once you loosen it enough, go ahead and remove my hand. So make sure you put a cardboard underneath, just in case. All right, so we just need the last one underneath. Put these bolts in a safe place. All right, let's get to the last one. Let's loosen it more. So you just have to be patient for the very bottom one. This bolt right here. So you know, there's a really tight spot right here. It's impossible to pull it out. Just be patient. You'll eventually get to it. After that, grab a flathead screwdriver and loosen it. Yank it out. I just want to show you this filter. As you can see, it's all worn out, it's cracked. That's really bad shape. Just look at that. It's no bueno. All right, so let's go ahead and pull it out. As you can see, look at that, it is cracked. Let's pull it out. Just look at that, it's cracked. Just look at that crack right here. All right, so let's grab our towel and wipe down there. Just gonna wipe it down. this part. Make sure it goes back in there. Well, actually, never mind. This is the part of the old filter. As you can see, I thought it was the spring, but the spring is in there. Make sure you don't pull that out, or if you do pull it out, just put it back in there. This is the spring. Let's go ahead and take it out and wipe down there. Make sure we get everything. This is the old one. Let's throw this out. Let's go ahead and put the new one. So I went ahead and put the spring back in, and now we have to put the new filter in there. Try to pull this all the way in the back. Grab a flat screwdriver. Let's push it backwards. Alright, it's back in now. So the new filter is back in now. All we have to put back is the cover. Alright, so as you can see, the old gasket is right here. The top cover. Let's go ahead and pull that out. Alright, so I just pulled it with this. Sink it out. Let's go ahead and wipe that down and replace our gasket sealing right here with the new one, and wipe this down right here. Alright, so nothing is impossible. So what I did was use a long wrench in order to put it there, pressure on it, and then right now, as you can see, I went ahead and tried to tighten the bottom one first. Not all the way, but as you can see, I'm tightening it slowly. Now I'm tightening the top one right here. Next thing, I'm gonna put this one so I can tighten it so it can go in evenly. Let's go ahead and tighten that more. Alright, let's go ahead and tighten the bottom one more. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the top one. Just go ahead and tighten it. Alright, so just go ahead and tighten it. As you can see, I'm going back and forth with all of them, so they can tighten evenly. That's the only way. Alright, so they're all tightened now. Alright, mission accomplished. Change this filter. As you saw, the old one was all broken. Next thing we have to do is put this. Don't forget the washer. Alright, let's go ahead and put that back. Let's go ahead and put this bolt first. Once you have your bolt in, go ahead and put your washer. Washer goes in there. Make sure you don't drop it. Alright, so washer's there now. It's right here. Right there. Alright, so just hand tighten it. Make sure you put pressure on it first so it can go in there. So for this one, size 17. Alright, so there you have it. We're gonna tighten this one. Appears to be the ground. Go ahead and put it back. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this back in there, the ground. Go ahead and hand tighten first. After that, use your ratchet. For that one, is a size 10. Go ahead and tighten it with your ratchet. And that's it. So it's back in there now. Alright, let's go ahead and put back our air intake. Alright, so don't forget this part right here. This little metal has to go in there, right here. Has to go all the way in. As you can see, it's all the way in now. Go ahead and align this right there. Go ahead and put this one back in. You don't have to tighten it all the way. Just hand tighten it. Alright, go ahead and align that one. Alright, so once you align it, go ahead and tighten it with your ratchet. So now let's tighten the top one. This one right here. Alright, let's go ahead and tighten this bolt. There's 4. That one, this one, this one, and the last one's down there, right down there, that one right there. Alright, so don't forget to put this back in here. Last thing to tighten is this 10mm right here. Go ahead and tighten it with your ratchet. And all we have to do is connect our negative terminal from the battery. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you till the next time.